Are you enjoying the holiday?
Yes,
Okay. And are you sleeping late or what are you doing in the day?
play video games, play
Yes.
outside, ride a
Okay.
bike.
Okay. And is the weather good?
Yes.
Okay. And have you been resting a lot?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all that counts. You need to rest a lot. Okay. Emma, let's get started. Are we finished with the Ukrainian wildlife lesson?
Yes.
I think I also thought we are finished with it. Okay, so today we're going to do a lesson a little bit different. We're going to look at pollution and the plastic in the ocean. Is plastic in the ocean also a big problem in Ukraine?
Mm, I
Or
don't know,
not?
maybe yes.
Because in South Africa, our oceans and our rivers are so polluted that they've stopped using plastic bags when you buy groceries. You have to buy a material bag so that you can reuse it because all the plastic ended up being in the ocean.
Mm,
Do you have the same problem in Ukraine?
yes. Mm,
Okay, so do you still use plastic bags or do you also mainly use material bags when do you
I
do
don't use.
shopping?
I
Hmm?
don't buy a lot of things to use bags.
Okay, but when you do buy things, do they give you plastic bags or material reusable bags?
Plastic bags.
And do you have to
Mm,
pay for them or do you get them for free when you buy something?
pay.
Pay. Okay. Um, we only started paying for bags a couple of years ago. Before that, bags used to always be free of charge. And that's why bags were all over. And they actually said that the plastic bags look as if it could be the national flower of South Africa. So many plastic bags were lying around and destroying our planet. Okay, let's have a look. If we look at these 12 words, I want you to read them and I want you to put them in the correct category. We're going to read a piece about a film review about plastic, the use of plastic bags. So if we look at these words, in which category would you put them? Do they have something to do with a film or do they have something to do with pollution? What is the meaning of these 12 words? You may start with the first one.
Reuse.
And where would we put reuse?
Film.
What does reuse mean?
Um, mm, use something like.
To use something again.
Yeah.
For example, if you use a material shopping bag, you reuse it every time. It's not just a one-use item, and once you've used it, you throw it away. For example, a very bad example is my plastic water bottle. This is a single-use bottle. You buy water in here, and when you finish drinking the water, you throw the plastic bottle away. So that's actually a very good example of something that we should not do. We should rather use glass bottles or use a better quality um, plastic so that you can reuse the item.
Mhm.
Okay, so if we look at the word reuse again, where are we?
Pollution.
Then we're going to put it with pollution. That's right. Okay, our next
Prem,
one.
premiere.
Yes.
I don't know what does it mean.
Okay, a premiere is when a movie or a film comes out for the first time at premieres on TV or at the movies. So it's something that gets shown for the first time.
Film.
Okay, so we're going to put that one with film. Our next word.
Rubbish. Pollution.
Okay, what is rubbish?
No, it's rubbish.
Okay, but what, like what?
No, plastic bottle without water.
Your plastic bottle without water is rubbish. And then we
Yes.
need to dispose of it properly so that it does not land in the ocean. Okay, our next word.
Documentary film.
Okay, what does a documentary mean? What kind of film?
When no, like detective maybe.
Like?
Like I don't know. I don't watch movie.
Okay, but what is a documentary? Is it a informative film with facts, or is it a story?
Was
Which one?
so was facts.
It's an informative film consisting of a lot of facts that teaches us something. So it's not like a storybook or fictional. It is non-fiction. Okay, our next word.
Short.
Where are we going to
Maybe
put? Which one?
pollution.
Why would you say that?
I don't know.
What is a shot?
I don't know.
Okay. Shot would rather go with film. When you film something, you get a shot of whatever scene you are taking. So if I am making a film about pollution, then I will have a shot of the ocean. Like our picture over here, this is a shot where you can see a lot of pollution. So it's a short piece out of the film. So shot is going to go with film. Okay, spoiler.
Film.
Why?
No, because spoiler. It's when no people tell you about film.
No, you are thinking about a trailer. A trailer is when they tell you about the film, when they give you little
No,
pieces about the film.
when no when another people say about film, what
Uh,
no you
and
don't
before
want
you
to.
watch it, before you watch
Yes,
the film. Okay,
yes.
okay. And then our next word,
Sen sense.
scene. Scene. Like,
Film.
that's right, a movie scene. Okay. And then this word,
Dump.
where we're going to
Pollution.
put, okay, what does it mean to dump something?
Mm,
Let's say documentary goes there. Okay. What does it mean to dump something?
mm, maybe.
When you dump something, it means you just throw it away. So we dump our rubbish into the sea or into the ocean or into rivers. So it gets dumped. It just gets thrown into wherever. Okay, our next word.
Waste.
Where we
Rubbish. Oi. Pollution.
pollution. That's right. Okay, so what would waste be?
Maybe when you waste time, like
when you waste time, but also when you waste products. If I have finished drinking my water, then the bottle that remains is waste. So it's something I need to get rid of. Okay, the next one.
filmmaker, film.
Filmmaker is film, and that is the person that makes the film. Okay, and then our next word.
Reuse, it's pollution.
Okay, and then this one.
Mm, recycle also.
Okay, and what does it
Pollution.
mean to recycle something?
Remake,
To
make a new thing.
That's right. To make a new thing from something old instead of throwing it away. So I can recycle my bottle and use it a few more times instead of just using it once. Okay, and then our last word.
Polluted, pollution.
If something is polluted,
Mm, maybe.
then it
Mm,
has been negatively affected by external things that have been thrown into the water. Or our air can also be polluted by smoke or by fire or by harmful chemicals. So if that is in our water or in our air, then it has been polluted. Let's see. And we had all of them correct. Okay. Over here we have, do you know what this is called?
oh, it's seal.
It's a seal. Did you ever see, now I can't remember the movie's name. Um, it's an animation movie with penguins. And then the plastic, a piece of plastic from the ocean gets stuck over one of the penguins' necks. Happy Feet. Happy Feet is the movie. Did you ever see the movie Happy Feet?
No.
Okay, that movie was about pollution and how it affected the penguins in that live in the ocean and how the plastic got stuck around their necks and prevented them from actually growing because when they're small, they put their head through the hole and then that plastic gets stuck and then they smother them. As they grow, the plastic closes their throat and they get smothered. Okay, I know you love reading. So,
No, not you. About me.
okay, this is our reading piece for today. Let us see how far
No,
we get. Thank you, Emma.
no,
Every day won't be so much reading, but we have to
no,
do some reading.
no.
Okay. I tell you what, you can read one paragraph and I will read the next paragraph. Does that sound like a deal?
Yeah, you read first.
Because I read first. Okay, and then you read the next one. A
Yes.
plastic ocean is a film to make you think. Think and then act. We need to take action on our dependence on plastic. People use too much plastic because it is cheaper than glass, because it is lighter than glass, lighter to transport. Glass is very heavy. And because it's so easy to use and glass is heavy, glass can break. There are so many risks with glass, so people have over the years started using too much plastic. Okay, so we need to take action against our dependence on plastic. Dependence means we rely on plastic too much. We've been producing plastic in huge quantities since the 1940s. Drinking bottles, shopping bags, toiletries, and even clothes are made with plastic. What happens to all the rest? This is the question the film A Plastic Ocean answers. It is a documentary that looks at the impact that plastic waste has on the environment. Spoiler alert, the impact is devastating. Do you know what devastating means?
No.
Devastating is when something is horrible. So the effect of plastic in our environment and in our world and in the ozone layer is devastating. It is absolutely a very bad situation. Okay, now you may read the second paragraph, please.
But film begins as a journey to film the largest animal on the planet, the blue whale, but during the journey, the filmmakers, journalist
Listen.
Craig Leeson, and Ian,
Environmental activist.
environmental activist, uh, Townia Street.
No, I can't. Activist. Activist is somebody who works for the cause and wants to try and do good. So then you are an activist. You actively promote something. Okay? Environmental activist. So she wants to make people do the right thing and not use plastic. Okay?
Make the shocking discovery of a huge thick layer of plastic floating in the middle of the Indian Ocean. In total, they visited 20 locations around the world during the 4 years it took them to make the film. The documentary premiered in 2016 and is now on streaming services such as Netflix.
Okay, the film begins as a journey to film the largest animal on the planet, the blue whale. But during the journey, the filmmakers, journalist Craig Leeson and environmental activist Tanya Streeter, made the shocking discovery of a huge, thick layer of plastic floating in the middle of the Indian Ocean. In total, they visited 20 locations around the world during the 4 years it took them to make the film. The documentary premiered in 2016 and is now on streaming services such as Netflix. It is very clear that a lot of research went into the film. There are beautiful shots of the seas and marine life. Marine life is the fish and everything that lives under the ocean, the coral and the fish and everything you see when you do snorkeling, for example. We see how marine species are being killed by all the plastic we are dumping in the ocean. So, all the plastic that is flowing into the ocean from rivers and everywhere where we dump our plastic or our waste into. The message about our use of plastic is painfully obvious. Obvious is we can all see that we need to make a plan and use less plastic. But what does the world do? Do we do that? No, we still continue using too much plastic. Okay, the next one is yours.
In the second half, the filmmakers look at that we can do to reverse the tide of plastic flowing around the world. The present short-term and long-term solutions that include avoiding plastic containers and single-use plastic products as much as possible. Reuse your plastic bags and recycle as much as you can. The filmmakers also stress the need for governments to work more on recycling programs and look at how technology is deploying that can convert plastic into fuel.
Okay, in the second half, the filmmakers look at what we can do to reverse the tide of plastic flowing around the world. What can we do to stop to stop people from using so much plastic? How can we reverse it? How can we turn it around? They present short-term and long-term solutions. So firstly, we need to move over to glass or other forms, to glass and paper bags, things that can be disposed of easier than plastic and can decompose more quickly than plastic does. These include avoiding plastic containers and single-use plastic products, like my little bottle is a single-use plastic product, as much as possible. Reuse your plastic bags and recycle as much as you can. The filmmakers also stress the need for governments to work more on recycling programs and look at how technology is developing that can convert plastic into fuel. So, if there can be a way that we can change all this plastic to something that is useful, but at this stage, we are just throwing the plastic into the ocean and it is just polluting every day more and more. We make a staggering amount of plastic. Staggering is an enormous amount. We make a lot of plastic. In terms of plastic bags alone, we use 500 billion plastic bags worldwide annually. Annually means every year. So every year, we use 500 billion plastic bags. Over 300 million tons of plastic are produced every year, and at least 8 million of those are dumped into the ocean. Once you've seen a plastic ocean, you'll realize the time is now, and we all have a role to play. Okay, let's see what our first task is. Match the missing sentence with the correct place in the text. So if we look at these 5 sentences, which sentence do you think makes sense? That was the first sentence. So we need to put them in order. What did we read first? What did we read second? What did we read third?
It's not that it's too late to change. No maybe.
What do you think the first one would be? Okay, let's go back to the text and see the first one. We need to put one of those sentences into this space over here. So let's read our sentence and then go back to our sentences and see which one is most suited. Drinking bottles, shopping bags, toiletries, and even clothes are made with plastic. One of those sentences. What happens to all the rest? So what sentence is the correct one to put what happens to all the rest? And today we have quite a difficult lesson.
Mm-hmm.
We need to concentrate in today's lesson. Okay, I'm going to help you with the first one. The first one is we live in a world of plastic and only a small proportion is recycled. So if we go back to this, drinking bottles, shopping bags, toiletries, and even clothes are made from plastic. We live in a world full of plastic and only a small proportion is recycled. What happens to all the rest? Can you see that that one fits in there? Because we're saying this is what happens to most of the plastic, but what happens to all the rest? Okay, so let's see our second one. The filmmakers, the journalist, and the environmental activist make a shocking discovery of a huge thick layer of plastic floating in the middle of the Indian Ocean. Something. In total, they visited 20 locations around the world.
Mm-hmm. The last one, this promotes them to travel around the world.
Okay, let's see. Okay, they saw the big layer of plastic. So this promotes them to travel around the world, and then they visited 20 locations. So let's put this one in number 2. Okay, our third one. It's very clear that a lot of research went into the film. There are beautiful shots of seas and marine life. Something we see how marine species are being killed by all the plastic we are dumping in the ocean.
Maybe the results are distraught, but it isn't too late to change.
I don't think so. I think it's another one. If we look carefully, they show us beautiful shots of the sea and the marine life. So they show us how pretty the ocean is. And then they say something else. And then they show us how pretty the ocean is. Then they say one of the sentences, and then they say that all the plastic we are throwing into the ocean is busy killing the marine life. So what is, first we see all the beautiful pictures and the nice pictures. Then our next sentence would
doesn't only present the negative side.
No,
they are constantly with sense of polluted cities and dumps full of rubbish.
That's right. These are contrasted. When something is contrasted, it's the opposite, with scenes of polluted cities and dumps of plastic. So we say, we see the beautiful shots of the sea and the marine life. And opposite of that, they show us how bad it looks on the beaches with all this plastic in the ocean. And then we see how marine life is being killed. Okay, number 4. Something. In the second half, the filmmakers look at what we can do to reverse this whole situation.
The result are distraught, but it isn't too late to change.
Okay. And then number 5. There are 300 million tons of plastic produced every year, and at least 8 million of these are dumped into the ocean. Something. Once you've seen a plastic ocean, you will realize that we all need to do our part and change.
Mhm.
I'm not too sure
Mhm.
about these last two.
Chin.
I think this one is number 4 and this one is number 5.
No? Okay.
Or are we going to keep it? Let's see. Let's see. Aha, 3 out of 5. So this one has to be there. Let's see, try again. I'm not going to do all of them again. Okay, so we had to change the last two around. But before we continue, let us quickly go out of Zoom and re-enter. Okay, see you in a minute.